Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Today our topic is Introduction to Algebra Exercise 9.3, okay, class 6. Before we going to start our class, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Okay, see equation, okay. What is equation? An equation is a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions which are connected by the equal sign, that is this is sign equals to sign, okay. See, an equation is a statement that should be two expressions. Suppose 5 plus 3 x plus 2 x plus 4 3 plus 7, these are expressions. They don't have equal sign and they don't have two parts. Equal to, after equal to, they don't have one more expression. So these are only expressions, okay. These are expressions, not equations, okay. Not equations. These are only expressions. What is equation? Equation has two expressions. See, 5x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus x, suppose, okay, 2 plus x. This is a equation. X plus 2 is equal to 2 plus x, is it right? Yes. A plus b is equal to b plus a. This is the equation, okay. Two expressions should be in an equation. Two expressions should be equal. Right hand side of the expression is equal to left hand side of the expression. See, this is left hand side. See, our hand. This is left hand, LHS. This is LHS. And this is after equal to expression is RHS. Right hand. This is RHS. Okay. Right hand side. This part before equal to is this expression is LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS should be equal to RHS. That is the equation. If not, that is not equation. Okay. These two values, two expressions should be equal. This is the equation. Let us see the examples. Suppose x plus 2 is greater than 5. Is it expression? No. This is greater than symbol. There is no, we can't tell is it greater than or equal to, we can't tell. So this is not equation. Okay. This is not equation. Suppose x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus x. This is equation. Suppose 5 plus 4 is less than 6. This is equation? No. There is no equal to. So not equation. Like that. See? Okay, let us see examples, then you will understand. State which of the following are equations. See, which of the following? X minus 3 is equal to 7. Is it equation or not? Yes. Yes, this is a equation. Why? Because it has two expressions and equal to between two expressions between equal to. So this is a equation. Okay, this is a equation. X minus 3 is equal to equation. Why? Because it has two expressions and in between equal to sign. So this is a equation. Second one. Suppose L, this is L. L plus 5 is greater than 9. Is it an equation? No. This has no equal to sign, only greater than. That is the two expressions are equal to or not, we don't know. So this is a not equation. Okay, this is not an equation. And p minus 4 is less than 10. This is an equation? No, this is also not an equation. Why? Because this statement has don't have equal to sign. It has less than sign. So this is not an equation. Okay. 5 plus m is equal to minus 6. Is it equation? Yes, this is an equation. Why? Because two expressions, 5 plus m is an expression and minus 6 is also an expression. So it has equal to sign between two expressions, it has equal to sign. So this is an equation. This is equal, before equal to part of the equal is equal to left hand side, after equal to part is equal to right hand side. So it has two expressions and between two expressions between equal to sign. So this is an equation. 2s minus 5, 2s minus 2 is equal to 12. Is it an equation or not? Yes, it has equal to sign. How this is also equation. So why? Because this is equal to sign, and 3x plus 5 is greater than 13. This is not an equation. Why? Because it has it equal to sign. It has only greater than sign. So this is not an equation. 3x plus 2 is less than 15. This is also not an equation. Why? Because these don't have these expressions. These two expressions don't have equal to sign. Okay. 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. This is an equation. Yes, these two expressions has equal to sign and two sides LHS and RHS parts. So this is an equation. 7y plus 1 is less than 22. This is not an equation. Why? Because the expressions don't have equal to sign. Minus 3z plus 6 is equal to 12. Is it an equation? Yes. These two expressions have equal to sign. So this is an expression. This is an equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 3. This is also an equation. Why? Because these two expressions has equal to sign and also LHS part and RHS part. So z is equal to 4. This is also an equation. Z is equal to 4. LHS part and RHS part, and this is z is a one expression and 4 is also expression. So this is a equation. Two expressions divided with equal to sign. Okay, LHS and RHS part. Okay. Write LHS and RHS of the following equations. See, already they have given equations. These all are equations. See, they have two expressions in between. Two expressions, it has equal to sign. So these all are equations. Okay. These write LHS and RHS of the given equations. X minus 5 is equal to 6. LHS, right? Before the part of the before is LHS and after equal to is equal to right RHS. So x minus 5 is equal to 6. So before equal to part of the before equal is equal to LHS. What here? LHS is equal to x minus 5. Okay, right hand side of the equal to is equal to, this is RHS. Right hand side of the equal to is equal to 6. Okay, see, in this equation LHS is equal to 4y. Before equal to expression is 4y. LHS is equal to 4y, comma RHS is 12, and same before equal to expression is 2z. See, this is 2z. LHS is equal to 2z plus 3, comma RHS is equal to here after equal to expression is 7. Okay, this is RHS. Right hand side of the equal to 7. Same, this is right before equal part of the before equal to is right LHS. LHS is equal to 3p, comma RHS is equal to 24, and 4 is equal to x minus. This is LHS. Okay, LHS is equal to 4. Right, RHS is equal to right hand side of the equation is what here? X minus 2. Okay, 2a minus 3 is equal to minus 5. 2a minus 3 is equal to minus 5. In this equation 2a minus 3 is LHS. Okay, LHS is equal to 2a minus 3 comma RHS is equal to minus 5 after equal to. Okay, RHS is equal to minus 5. Okay, see third question, solve the following equation by trial and error method. What is trial and error method? Okay, trial and error method is nothing but to get the solution of equation. One of the method used is the trial and error method to get the solution of given equation. See, let us see the example. See, x plus 3 is equal to 5. Suppose let x is equal to 0. Then substitute the x value in the given equation. Okay, x is equal to 0 here. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 5. Is it correct? 0 plus 3 is equal to 5. No, 3 is equal to 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 means here 3. 3 is equal to 5 is correct? No, 3 is not equal to 5. This is false. Okay, and second one, let x is equal to, after 0 let x is equal to 1. Okay, then substitute x value in the given equation. 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 5. Is it 4 is equal to 5? No, not equal to 4. So this is also false. Okay, and let x is equal to 2. After 1 2 take. Okay, so substitute the value of x here. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Is it correct? Yes, correct. This is the true. Okay, till so therefore x is equal to, here what, x is equal to 2 is satisfying the given is satisfying the given equation. Okay, given equation. So x is equal to 2 is the correct. Like that you have to check the values from 0 you have to take first 0 you have to substitute the given equation, and after 1 you have to substitute, and 2 3 till you have to get the true answer. That answer will be the final number of the given equation. So this is the trial and error method. Let us see the more examples. Okay, see, solve the following equation by trial and error method. See, y minus 2 is equal to 7. How to do by trial and error method? First we have to let y is equal to 0. Okay, then substitute the 0 value of y is in this equation. Y minus, see, y is equal to 0. So 0 minus 2 is equal to 7. Is it right? No, wrong. This is false. Okay, and again let y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Then y minus 2, take y is equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 is equal to 7. Is it right? 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, is equal to 7. Minus 1 is equal to 7? No, this is wrong. False. Okay, let again y is equal to 2. Then 2 minus 2 is equal to 7. Is it right? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 7. This is also wrong. False. Okay, y is equal to 3. Then y, substitute the value of y is in this equation. 3 minus 2 is equal to 7. 3 minus 2 means 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is equal to 7. Is it right? No, this is also false. Okay, then let y is equal to 4. Then 4 minus the value of y is equal to 4 here. 4 minus 2 is equal to 7. 4 minus 2 means 2 is equal to 7. Is it right? No, wrong. 2 is equal to 7 is right? No. So this is also false. Again take, let y is equal to 5. Okay, let y is equal to 5. Then y minus 2. See, 5 minus 2 is equal to 7. 5 minus 2 means here 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 7. Is it right? Wrong. So this is also false. Again, let y is equal to 6. Then 6 minus 2 is equal to 7. 6 minus 2 is equal to here 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 7. Is it right? Wrong. Okay. See. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 7. Is it right? Wrong. This is also false. Again, let y is equal to take 7. Then 7 minus 2 is equal to 7. No, this is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 7. This is also wrong. This is false. Again, let y is equal to 8. Then 8 minus 2 is equal to 7. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 here. 6 is equal to 7. Is it right? No. 6 is equal to not 6 not equal to 7. This is also false. Again, let y is equal to take 9. Then 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Then 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. Finally, this is true. So, y is equal to, therefore, what? Therefore, y is equal to 9 is the satisfying equation. Okay, satisfy equation. So, this is correct. Let y is equal to 9 is the correct answer. A minus 2 is equal to 6. Use the trial and error method. See, let a is equal to 0. Then substitute the value of a is in this equation. So, a is equal to 0. 0 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 0 minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 6. Is it right? Wrong. This is false. Again, let a is equal to 1. Then 1 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 6. Is it right? Wrong. Minus 1 is not equal to 6. So, this is also false. Again, let a is equal to take 2. Then 2 minus 2 is equal to 6. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 6? No, not equal to 6. So, this is also false. Again, let a is equal to take 3. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 6 is right? No. Not equal, 1 not is not equal to 6. So, this is also false. Again, let a is equal to 4. Substitute the value of a is in this equation. 4 minus 2 is equal to 6. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 is not equal to 6. So, this is also false. Again, let a is equal to take 5. Then 5 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 3 is equal to 6, not equal to 6. So, this is also false. Again, let a is equal to 6. Then 6 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 here. And 6 is equal to 6. LHS is not equal to RHS. This is also wrong, false. Again, let a is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 is equal to 6. Is it right? No, wrong. This is also false. Again, let a is equal to take 8. Then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. So this is the true. So substituting the value of a is equal to 8 is the correct value of given equation. So therefore a is equal to 8 is satisfying the equation. Okay. Satisfying the equation.